Hey folks, JD here, and as I've just come off my holiday, I was hoping today to get out and fly. Still got a couple of days off work, so I thought it would be nice to take the new quads that I have, take them out there and properly give them a good flight. But unfortunately the weather has taken a turn for the worse. We've got high winds, torrential rain, and it's not a safe environment for me to take these quadcopters out. So what I was looking at is going back through some of my archive and seeing what videos that I haven't put live over the past 12 months that I've filmed and you guys haven't seen. So what I've done, I've taken a few over the next couple of days, starting with this one, and just giving you a new sort of something to look at, really. So this video today is all about the Yuneec Breeze. And all of this video that you're about to see is all video shot in different, at totally different times. Back from when I first had the quad, when I was getting used to it, I was trying new presets, I was trying new features. I think in this video somewhere we've got orbit mode, we've got some other features, we've got other highlights and low light areas, early morning flight, late afternoon flights, a bit of range testing with the Bluetooth transmitter. It's a good medley of a lot of different videos, all relating about all to do with the Yuneec Breeze. So I hope you enjoy that. The rest of this video is just going to be some nice music in the background, just for you to have a little look at and hopefully enjoy while you're watching the video. And then for the next couple of days then, until the start of next week, we've got a couple of other videos coming out as well. And also on my other channel, on my vlogging channel, that hasn't had a lot of love in the past year or so, so I'm hoping to give that a little bit more as well as time goes on. I've got a lot of ideas to bring to that channel. I just gotta have the time now in order to record everything and get it out there in the way that I want to. So I hope you'll go and check that out. If you haven't, and if you want to, then you'll find it as a featured channel on this particular channel as well, and you'll also find it in the description of this video. So right then, my friends, so I hope you've all had a good week. I hope you all continue to have a good week. I hope you enjoy these couple of videos we've got coming up. Don't despair, there are lots of new quadcopters coming. I've got a load sitting here in the house I'm looking at currently that I'm feeling quite sorry for myself because I can't get out and sodding well fly them. So hopefully that'll change soon, and as soon as it does, you'll know it because there'll be brand new videos hitting the channel. Alright then, my friends, I hope you will enjoy. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying and enjoy the rest of the video.